In this impulse control trial, the subject is presented with a reward suspended by a single string. If he waits 30 seconds, he receives 2 treats instead of 1. The goal is to observe— oh, and he's eaten it already.
Up the steepest hill in the meadow, a very small hero pushed a very large crumb. He shoved, he strained, he inched it toward the shining top. At last, the summit.
And there's the head shake. Judge Whiskers is not buying it.
We tried.
Verdict delivered. That's a